Determine if Python is running inside virtualenv. Is it possible to determine if the current script is running inside a virtualenv environment?
The most reliable way to check for this is to check whether sys.prefix equals sys.base_prefix. If they are equal, you are not in a virtual environment. If they are unequal, you are. Inside a virtual environment, sys.prefix points to the virtual environment, and sys.base_prefix is the prefix of the system Python the virtualenv was created from. The above always works for Python 3.slibvenv and for recent virtualenv, since version 20. Older versions of virtualenv used sys.real_prefix instead of sys.base_prefix, and sys.real_prefix did not exist outside a virtual environment, and in Python 3.3 and earlier sys.base_prefix did not ever exist. So a fully robust check that handles all of these cases could look like this. If you only care about supported Python versions and latest virtualenv, you can replace get_base_prefix_compat with simply sys.base_prefix. Using the virtual_env environment variable is not reliable. It is set by the virtualenv activate shell script, but a virtualenv can be used without activation by directly running an executable from the virtualenv's bin/ or scripts directory, in which case $virtual_env will not be set. Or a non-virtualenv Python binary can be executed directly while a virtualenv is activated in the shell, in which case $virtual_env may be set in a Python process that is not actually running in that virtualenv.
Try using pipv, notice capital V. If you are running the virtualenv, it'll show the path to the env's location.
This is an improvement of the accepted answer by Carl Meyer. It works with virtualenv for Python 3 and 2 and also for the venv module in Python 3. The check for sys.real_prefix covers virtualenv, the equality of non-empty sys.base_prefix with sys.prefix covers venv. Consider a script that uses the function like this. And the following invocation.
Check the $virtual_env environment variable. The $virtual_env environment variable contains the virtual environments directory when in an active virtual environment. Once you run deactivate, leave the virtual environment, the $virtual_env variable will be cleared/empty. Python will raise a key error because the environment variable was unset. These same environment variable checks can of course also be done outside of the Python script, in the shell.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.